Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, 2025. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina. This is Caroline. I'm in the middle of doing the whole cleaning. I do want to let you know, in regards to your waterline paint, this is what I haven't done yet. I've done the whole boat for the waterline, except for that. This right here is where paint is being rubbed off considerably. It's been worn. It's in need of new paint. This right now is, the water temperature is pretty mild, and this is the growth that you're seeing. But come the hottest time of summer and the hotter temperatures and water temperatures, it's going to be a lot harder to get this as clean as it looks, if not impossible, versus what I can do now. Now I'm going to clean the rest of this, but I did want to let you know this is very consistent along the whole water line, that it's rubbed off to this white, and that we will probably want to do a new paint. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up and then get you an after video.